So this tank right here, what we're doing is we're collecting known samples, whether they're fired bullets or discharged cartridge cases from firearms. The water in there will capture the bullet, leave it in more pristine condition to examine. So in cases of full autos or rifles, shotguns, we utilize our firing range. You guys ready? So sometimes it's as easy as these aren't the same, it's an elimination. Rectangular, elliptical firing pin, hemispherical. So two different guns. Other times when we get evidence, we'll look at various areas present on the discharge cartridge cases that are left from the firearm during the cycle of fire. So like this part right here, that's called firing pin aperture shear. When the gun goes through its cycle of fire, it will impart those marks on the primary area of the live cartridge. It's matching the individual characteristics, essentially much like fingerprints, in that it's a pattern matching.